Viewers, welcome to KTA Shaheen. Be first to deliver a training performance of selling on CDTV live 3-hour special which aired on January 27, 2025. The group's high energy choreography, soaring vocals, and infectious enthusiasm created an electrifying atmosphere, driving the audience and with their captivating stage presence. With their precise harmonies and polished performance, Be First showcased their impressive musicality and undeniable charm, solidifying their position as one of Japan's most exciting and promising idol group.